There we go. Short video, field day score with the wife. Went to Amish Town, Pennsylvania, and made a few stops along the way. Hit 2 Walmarts and a gun store. Alright, got this Freedom Armory, $39.95. Let me know if you think these were too pricey. I got them while I could. Walmart find, 40 Smith & Wesson, 1937. Look at that. 2 boxes of Tula, 5 and some change. And at my third and final Walmart, I got some 556. That's a fancy box. I guess that calls for the price. But whatever. I am happy. Good hunting to all.